Hi, this is Aksa Muzaffar and I'm from NED University of Engineering Technology. Actually, I belong to a middle class family where the student struggles while he or she is selecting their majors for their undergraduates. After the graduation, despite of the family support I had, I was actually struggling with that interview part. And I think जो youth को हमारी problem होती है वो यही वाली problem होती है कि they don't know what sort of skills the employer is looking for. And that's why they don't ace at the interviews and they don't get selected for the right position, and that's exactly what I was facing.
2018 में हमने एक सर्वे किया। सर्वे का जो पर्पस था वो था कि जो ग्रेजुएट एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी है उसको अंडरस्टैंड किया जाए फ्रॉम एम्प्लॉयर्स पर्सपेक्टिव। 212 कंपनी के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ने हमें बताया उनमें से जो 78% है दे वर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड विद द क्वालिटी ऑफ ग्रेजुएट्स। और हमने जब उनसे पूछा कि आपकी क्या रीजन हैं जिस वजह से आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं हैं, तो जो टॉप मोस्ट रीजन थी वो थी कि जो नॉलेज, स्किल एंड एबिलिटी होते हैं ग्रेजुएट्स के वो उनके हाई ग्रेड्स को रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं करते। तो उसमें पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड, वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन, क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग, टीम वर्किंग, सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस, ये चीज़ें टॉप पे आई।
After completing my engineering, the biggest problem I faced was how can I make myself stand out of the crowd. Having the right set of technical skills isn't just enough. The recruiter is in search of more than this. They're expecting the graduates to have the right sets of interpersonal skills. When I came to know about PepsiCo and ML Academy Join Initiative, I immediately applied because I knew this was an excellent opportunity for me. And most importantly, how can I transform my weakness to my strong suit?
So I'll ask you again, and I want you to talk about something that is not on the CV. Yeah? Great. Ready?
Yeah. Presenting what is best in you and delivering the right amount of information in front of the interviewer is what Amal taught me. पाकिस्तान में अमल अकेडमी जैसे प्लेटफॉर्म्स बहुत कम है जो स्टूडेंट्स को ये बताते हैं कि आपने अपने वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स पे कैसे काम करना है। एंड ग्रेजुएशन के दौरान स्टूडेंट का फोकस भी इन चीज़ों पे नहीं होता। ये इशूज स्पॉटलाइट में तब आते हैं जब आप ग्रेजुएशन कर लेते हैं एंड यू आर इन सर्च ऑफ द राइट अपॉर्चुनिटी। इन अमल अकेडमी वी हैड मॉक इंटरव्यूज, वी हैव टीम बिल्डिंग सेशंस एज वेल एज वी हैड द सेशंस ऑन हाउ वी कैन बिल्ड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोफेशनल नेटवर्क एंड एक्सिक्यूटेड अ प्रोजेक्ट इन अ सोशल कॉज।
There is no point of learning when you don't deliver it to the right people. I got the chance of delivering to the less privileged people through Amal Academy.
Amal Academy is a non-profit organization with a vision of helping the youth of Pakistan and the Pakistani education system reach its full potential. We help these students develop grit, resilience, teamwork, leadership, and a belief in themselves.
I'll be very honest, before and even after the interview, I was very nervous because Angro is the platform every engineering graduate looks at. After the interview, I realized that there was a great connectivity between what I was being taught in the Amal Fellowship and what was asked in the interview. I got the selection email after 2 weeks, and getting into Angro straight after graduation was a great achievement for me.
We get thousands of applications in every cycle, but we're never looking for just engineers only. हम उन candidates को prefer करते हैं जिनका skill set and confidence level ऐसा हो so that they pick up quickly and adjust to the environment.
It's been a great partnership with Amal Academy for the last 3 years. We have worked with over 3,000 graduates coming from all parts of Pakistan, representing over 135 towns and villages. Aksa is just one of the many success stories that we have out there, and hopefully we'll have many, many more going forward.
Today, I'm working as a graduate trainee engineer at Angro Vopak, and I would say, in getting job at Angro, Amal Academy played a very important role. They polished my interpersonal skills, and I learned how can I perform better as an individual.